Hi everyone, blessed be. So I'm going to show you today how I like to make black salt. So first of all, I've got some pink Himalayan salt in here. This is some salt that has been infused with some sage and a little bit of clove, although I'm going to take the clove out for this purpose. I like salt because obviously it's used a lot in protection workings, and also the sage in here is some sage that came in a kit I bought ages ago, so I just want to use it up. And sage is good for protection workings as well. Just use alternatives to white sage because white sage is endangered and is part of an indigenous American practice. So you're best off using sage from the supermarket or garden sage that you grow. Then to the crushed up salt, I'm adding some charcoal. These are just some charcoal sticks out of my art supplies because I don't use charcoal anymore. But I've kept the charcoal sticks to use to make black salt. And it comes quite in handy. If all else fails, if you've got some of those little charcoal blocks that you use in an incense burner, then you could break one of those up for the charcoal. You can also use ash. If you save the ash from your incense or from any little ritual fires you have, you can use that in your black salt as well. Here I'm just adding a bit more of the charcoal and grinding it all up in my mortar and pestle. If you haven't got a mortar and pestle, you can put everything in a food bag and crush it with a rolling pin. There's different ways you can create black salt. Then I'm adding some rosemary, again to add to that protection. And that was a little pinch of peppermint as well. And I'm just mixing that in with the black salt as well. And with the charcoal, it makes a lovely dark colour and works quite well. I'm adding a little bit more rosemary because I'm trying to use up some slightly older rosemary that I've got. Now I've got a fresh batch. And anything you add to this will obviously create more black salt, give you more to use in different workings. And then take a jar, and I'm going to use my little spoon and spoon this mixture into my jar. This can be used for witch balls, protection charms, protection spells, banishment workings. You can add it to candles as part of your protection workings or banishment workings, and it's quite useful. I normally get through a jar every so often, so every so often I have to top it up. It's one of the ingredients I've used the most. And you can use it in little sachets and like mojo bags as well. So that's what it looks like in the jar. And I like to add a touch of glitter for a little bit of sparkle. And I'm just going to mix that in and just stir that around with my little spoon. And then seal the jar, give it a good shake. And that is my black salt ready for when I next need it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Blessed be. Bye for now.